Did you play? Did you play good? You're such a sweetheart. Look at her all clapped. Cricket. Hey, Cricket. Come on. Let's send this to your boyfriend, Darth Puppy. He's gonna see you're a party animal. Are you a party animal? And she has a cute sister too. See? That's Ripley. She has a sister for when Darth Puppy gets a brother. Say hello, Ripley. Say hello. Okay, and that's Peanut. He's always trying to horn in. Say goodbye.